Hello, today I'm in Kia Optima. In this video I'll show you how to enable and use cruise control. In the beginning, accelerate to desired speed and then press the cruise control button located on the steering wheel. When the cruise control is enabled, you will see the indication on the instrument cluster display. Now, twist this button downwards to set to enable cruise control. Now you can let the acceleration pedal go, and if you want to increase the speed, push this button upwards. To decrease it, push it downwards. To reset it to desired speed, firstly desired speed, select cancel. If you want to disable cruise control, again press this button. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.